The 2027 Kia Sportage is arriving with a cabin that rivals vehicles costing thousands more, a hybrid lineup that genuinely cuts fuel costs, and a starting price that is going to make a lot of buyers do a double take. If you've been shopping for a compact SUV and keep finding that anything decent pushes well past your budget, the Sportage is built specifically to solve that problem without making you feel like you settled. Most compact SUVs at this price point cut corners on the interior, shortchange rear passengers, or lock the best features behind expensive trim levels, but the Sportage is going to deliver a premium experience from the base trim up, and that is exactly what makes it one of the smartest buys in the segment right now. Number 7. Upscale cabin. Step inside the 2027 Sportage and the first impression is going to stop you. The materials are refined, the layout is clean and deliberate. A rotary shift knob, push-to-start button, and a well-organized center console all carry a character that reads as premium, not budget-friendly. Nobody wants to spend an hour in stop-and-go traffic surrounded by hard plastics and a dashboard that feels like an afterthought. That is what makes the Sportage's interior so disarming. The cabin is designed to feel like it belongs in a higher price bracket, and it does. Piano black bezels, soft touch surfaces in key contact zones, and an optional two-tone color scheme all add layers of sophistication that buyers simply do not expect at this price. An all-black interior setup is also going to be available for those who prefer something more understated. Either way, the quality of what surrounds you is going to hold up on commutes, on road trips, and everywhere in between. In a segment where interior quality can swing dramatically from one model to the next, the Sportage is consistently landing near the top of the conversation. Number 6. Passenger and cargo space. The rear cabin is genuinely adult-friendly. Rear seat legroom is going to impress passengers who have been squeezed into the back of too many compact SUVs. All models will feature 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats, and trims above the base LX are going to add second-row USB-C charging ports. Think about loading up for a weekend trip. 2 adults, luggage, a cooler, a bag for the dog. That moment when you are standing at the tailgate wondering if it is all going to fit is one most buyers know well. Behind the Sportage's rear seat, 40 cubic feet of cargo space is waiting, enough in real-world testing to swallow 11 carry-on bags. A dual-level cargo floor is going to add even more flexibility for taller or oddly shaped items. This is not compact SUV space with an asterisk, it is genuinely competitive room, front to back and floor to ceiling. For buyers who need a vehicle that actually works as hard as their schedule does, the Sportage is going to deliver. Number 5. Efficient hybrid powertrain. The standard 2027 Sportage runs a 187 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired to an 8-speed automatic and either front or all-wheel drive. Fuel economy sits at 28 miles per gallon combined with front-wheel drive, or 26 miles per gallon with all-wheel drive. Perfectly respectable numbers for the class. Fuel stops add up, so does the mental math at the pump, especially for buyers covering serious weekly mileage. That is exactly the context in which the Sportage Hybrid starts to make a compelling case. More output, meaningfully better efficiency, and a driving experience that feels noticeably more capable, all for a modest premium over the base price. For high-mileage drivers, that upgrade is going to pay for itself in savings and satisfaction. The plug-in hybrid takes it further. The PHEV is going to offer genuine all-electric range for everyday commuting, which means, for buyers who charge regularly, the majority of their daily miles are going to cost them almost nothing in fuel. Between the standard hybrid's efficiency and the PHEV's electric capability, the Sportage's powertrain lineup is one of the most versatile in the compact segment and one of its most underrated assets. Number 4. Smooth and comfortable ride. Suspension tuning in the 2027 Sportage is doing exactly what it should. Road imperfections are being absorbed without drama. The ride is smooth and composed, the kind of quality that makes a 2-hour drive feel like a shorter one. There is a specific kind of fatigue that builds behind the wheel of a vehicle that fights every expansion joint and rough patch. It is subtle, but by the end of a long drive, it accumulates. The Sportage is built to work against that feeling. Cabin isolation is strong. Road noise is being kept well in check at highway speeds. Steering is accurate without being overly reactive, calibrated for real-world roads, not a proving ground. For buyers drawn to the off-road oriented trims, the X Pro is going to arrive with all-terrain tires, black 17-inch wheels, and dedicated drive modes for rougher terrain. But even across the standard lineup, the Sportage's road manners are going to be among its most immediately appreciated qualities, especially for buyers who log significant miles every week. Number 3. Loads of standard features. From the base trim, the 2027 Sportage is going to include forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. These are not optional extras. They are the starting point. No buyer should have to step up 3 trim levels just to feel safe behind the wheel. The Sportage is not making that trade-off necessary. The standard safety suite is comprehensive, and moving up the ladder adds blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, navigation-based adaptive cruise control, and a remote parking system. On the technology side, a 12.3-inch touchscreen anchors the infotainment setup, running Kia's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air update capability. A 6-speaker audio system is standard. An optional Harman Kardon premium system is going to raise that experience considerably. The EX trim is going to bring wireless phone charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. The premium package adds a panoramic sunroof, LED interior lighting, and a power liftgate. The Sportage is not holding the good stuff for the top trim. It is distributing value across the lineup, and buyers are going to notice. Number 2, proven gas engine. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder in the 2027 Sportage is a known quantity. It has been developed and refined across multiple generations, building a track record that owners and reliability data consistently support. This is not an engine chasing peak output numbers. It is built for consistency, day after day, year after year. Reliability anxiety is real. The concern that a vehicle might cost more in repairs over 5 years than it saves in monthly payments is a legitimate one. With the Sportage's gas engine, that anxiety has less ground to stand on. The powertrain has demonstrated durability, and Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is standing behind every one of those miles. Paired to the 8-speed automatic, shifts are smooth and predictable in everyday driving. All-wheel drive is going to be available across multiple trims for buyers who need added confidence in wet or winter conditions. For those not yet ready to move to the hybrid, the base engine is going to deliver exactly what its reputation promises. Number 1, attractive price. The 2027 Kia Sportage is going to start around $31,000. The SX Prestige is projected around $38,000, and the fully loaded X Pro Prestige is expected near $42,000. For what is included at each level, those numbers are going to look different from what most buyers are used to seeing in this segment. Value is easy to promise. It is harder to deliver when a buyer sits down and actually compares what they are getting against what they are spending. The Sportage tends to win that comparison. The upscale cabin, genuine interior space, refined ride, comprehensive safety suite, and full infotainment package are not scattered across the lineup. They are going to be accessible without reaching for the top trim. The EX is going to be the sweet spot for most buyers, adding wireless charging, heated front seats, and dual-zone climate control for a modest step up from the base. The premium package, with its panoramic sunroof and power liftgate, pushes the experience further without a dramatic price jump. And behind all of it, the 5-year basic warranty and 10-year powertrain coverage are reinforcing the purchase long after the sale is done. The 2027 Sportage is not just competing in its price class, it is redefining what that price class can deliver. 7 reasons, and every one of them adding up to the same conclusion. The 2027 Kia Sportage is a well-rounded, well-priced compact SUV that is going to keep surprising buyers who take the time to look closely. Powertrain, features, spacious cabin, attractive price. There are too many strengths to neglect this one. But the competition is fierce, and there are so many excellent options to choose from. One of them is the Nissan Rogue, which is coming completely redesigned for the next year, and you can check that out in our next video. Besides typical novelties that usually come with redesigns, such as new look, improved interior quality, and new tech features, it's also bringing the revolutionary e-Power hybrid system to North America, which is about to set new segment standards when it comes to efficiency, performance, and overall driving experience of a hybrid SUV.